Imagine staring up at the night sky. Even if you live in a brightly lit city, there's something mesmerizing about those distant stars, shimmering like tiny sequins sprinkled across a vast velvet canvas. When I was a child, I would lie on my back in my backyard, feeling the cool grass beneath me and wonder what was out there. Back then, I had no idea that there were brilliant minds, just like some of us, who were figuring out how to reach for those stars. Now think about this. Not so long ago, the idea of visiting space was just a fantasy. But today, humans not only visit space, they live there, even if it's just for short periods. This leap into the cosmos wasn't just about rockets and astronauts. It was about extraordinary inventions, tiny and mighty, that opened up the universe to us. Let me take you on a little journey through some of these remarkable technologies that changed space exploration forever. First, let's talk about something as seemingly mundane as a computer chip. Imagine holding one in your hand. It's light as a feather, yet so full of potential. In 1969, when Neil Armstrong landed on the moon, it was with the help of a computer that had far less power than the smartphones in our pockets today. They called it the Apollo Guidance Computer. It used something called integrated circuits, or chips, which were revolutionary at the time. These tiny devices could process information and control the spacecraft with precision. It was as if humanity had finally found a way to whisper commands into the ears of the universe. Next, picture a spacesuit. To us, it might look bulky and cumbersome, but it's a marvel of engineering. Early space travelers needed protection from the harsh environment of space, extreme temperatures, no oxygen, and dangerous radiation. The suit is more than just clothing, it's a personal spacecraft. Each one is carefully crafted, layer upon layer, like a delicate cake, to keep astronauts safe and comfortable. Imagine the quiet hum inside the helmet, your breath gently fogging up the visor as you peer out into the silent black void. Another fascinating piece of technology is the Hubble Space Telescope. Imagine a giant eye floating high above Earth, capturing breathtaking images of galaxies far, far away. Before Hubble, space telescopes weren't common. But this one changed the way we see our universe. It's like putting on glasses after years of blurry vision. The images it sends back are so clear and detailed that they've changed our understanding of space, revealing the beauty and complexity of the cosmos in ways we never imagined. Then there are satellites, the quiet sentinels orbiting our planet. You might be surprised to know that they are essential not only for studying space, but also for our everyday lives. Think about the GPS on your phone, guiding you effortlessly through city streets, or the weather forecasts that help us plan our days. Satellites are the unsung heroes, gathering data from the far reaches of space and beaming it back to us in ways we often take for granted. The International Space Station, or ISS, is another testament to human ingenuity. Picture a giant laboratory floating in space where scientists live and work, conducting experiments that can't be done on Earth. It's like a bridge between our world and the stars, fostering international collaboration and curiosity. The ISS teaches us about life in microgravity and how our bodies adapt to new environments, giving us insights that could one day help humans travel farther than ever before. But let's not forget robotics. They come in all shapes and sizes, from giant arms that assemble spacecraft parts to tiny rovers exploring Mars. They go where it's too dangerous or too far for humans. Imagine the Curiosity rover on Mars, a diligent little explorer rolling across red sand dunes, conducting experiments, and sending back selfies from millions of miles away. It's like having a little robot friend on an alien world, tirelessly working to uncover its secrets. What's truly captivating about all these technologies is how they reflect our deepest desires as humans. The desire to explore, to push boundaries, to understand our place in the universe. Space exploration is more than technology. It's a manifestation of our collective curiosity and determination. It's a reminder that no matter how vast and mysterious the universe may seem, we are always striving to reach beyond the horizon. As I wrap up this journey through the stars, I find myself back in that backyard, lying on the grass, looking up at the sky. I realize that each star represents not just a distant sun, but a milestone in our quest to explore the unknown. And while we may never know all the answers, it's the journey, the innovations, and the dreams that continue to inspire us. So next time you gaze at the night sky, remember the invisible hands of technology that have made it possible for us to reach up and touch the stars, even if it's just in our imaginations for now. We need to look up and wonder, because that wonder is where every great adventure begins.